I'm so excited. Anyone that knows me knows that I love Halloween. I love the spooky season. And this year I've been really into like Halloween and stuff. I'm trying to make this year more fun. So I have my spooky earrings on right now, which is like a pinup girl with some pumpkins. I do have my pinup shirt with a black cardigan, and I have my bracelet that has different things on it, like the creature from the Black Lagoon and all that fun jazzy stuff. And I've just been trying to make everything more fun this year. With that being said, I was so excited for this Barbie that came out. This is the 12 Days of Halloween, and on the Mattel boxes now, which is upside down, but they give hints to what's inside now. Super excited. Let's open this Barbie. This is my first Barbie with the vintage mold that I bought that came out, you know, as a collection. My first one was the Wicked Witch of the West from the Wizard of Oz. I got it off eBay, and I was so excited when I got that in. I'm gonna take it to watch Wicked. I am gonna try to get the Glenda. Oh, trying to unbox this, but we shall see. Let me try to get this box open. One sec. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like this, when I first saw this, I was like, I have to have it. And I was gonna get, they had a spring one last year. I should have got it. I don't know why I'm so hesitant when it comes time for these Barbies. I'm excited. The box. Can we appreciate the box right quick? It has cauldrons, broomsticks, witches' hats. And does this not remind you of the old like scholastic like Halloween books? Like this takes me back to elementary school. Ouch. The box. I'm at it all right now. I'm serious. Like this is freaking amazing. I love the box. Like I'm saying, like I'm totally telling you, this reminds me of an old scholastic like school book. I love the freaking packaging. I can't get over it. Now, I did notice one thing about this. It does pretty much reveal what you get in this set. So you get 2 outfits. Here's all the accessories. And a lot of people have been loving this portrait right here. And the cauldron. I think out of everything, I love the cauldron. I'm obsessed with pumpkins and cauldrons. And this is just perfect to me. Alright. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why. Like this is like I said, this is my first Barbie that I've ever bought straight when it came out with the vintage mold. Okay. Let me not mess up the box. Oh wait. There's a nick right here. I'm trying so hard like to be very careful, but that wasn't done by me. Okay, this went for 160, which a lot of people were not wanting to pay that much, but I was like, I'm gonna get it. All right, let me take this out of the box. Okay, let's open door number 1. Yo, I can't. Oh my goodness. Let me put her hat down. Oh. This is so awesome. This vase is so gorgeous. Looks like she got a broomstick behind her. So pretty. I love the eyeshadow and the lipstick. Alright, door number 2. We have the stand and a bag of skeletons. This is cool. This is giving me like throwback vibes for sure. I wanted to point out that the Barbie lettering is in purple, so it matches the witch, which is awesome. Okay, so bag number 3. Or door number 3. And this is the candles. That's so cool. I love the webbing on it. We got box number 4, which is the little cups right here. Love it so much. Box number 5. This is so fun. We got a witch's book. That is so awesome. 6. Okay, so we have a Halloween party invitation, which is really funny because next weekend I'm going to a Halloween party. This is really awesome, cute. Reminds me of the Playline Barbie, Halloween Barbies. And then we have the picture that a lot of people are loving right now. I love this so much. Okay. Box 7. Potions! And you know what? The Secret Spells Potions dolls from the early 2000s. This is what it reminds me of. I actually have one of those dolls, and this is awesome. I love this so much. Box 8, the cauldron. And if you hear my dog, I'm sorry. He's eating Din Din. Okay, the cauldron is to freaking die for. I love the bubbles. This is awesome. The more and more that I'm opening the boxes, the more and more excited I'm getting. Okay, even though I know what's in here, it doesn't matter. It's just a unboxing, I guess. Okay, so here is the candied apples along with the little stand, which is too cute. I really, really love it. It has that same like gothic feel. I don't see any spider webs, but this is too adorable. I love it so much. This Barbie and the Monster High gals can actually hang out because this is too cute. Okay, so now we're at box 10. And because we're at box 10, that means that we're almost done because it's a 12 days of Halloween. I'm getting sad because I don't want this to end. But okay, so number 10 brings us the pumpkin. Oh, this is a good pumpkin. The detailing in the accessories honestly is really, really good. Like it looks like well made. I love this one so much. This is actually really cool. I love it. Okay, box 11. The kitty cat, and it's a black cat. So cute. Okay, that means that box 12, since box 11 was the cat, box 12 will be the costume for the cat. And it's a larger box too. So now, here it is. I can't wait. I can't wait. And we have the cat mask. And the kitten heels. I love the little marks on here. So, so cute. It's like the little claws. Let me see if I can make this a little bigger. Or not bigger, but make it to where you can kind of see it. This is awesome. Love, love, love and adore. I'm really happy with this. And on the back of the box, we have the COA right here. And now I can't wait to set her up. So we have the broom that's behind her right here. And it has like little plastic, it looks like, you know, like the material, like the plastic material you would use for like the garbage. Like, I don't want to make that sound bad. How do I say this? But this is like the same material basically. It's just like plastic shreddings, if you get what I mean. That sounds bad, but you get what I'm saying. But the necklace right here, I do love. It does remind me of Morticia's from the Addams Family Barbie collector set. Different color, but it gives me that feel. And like I said, I just love the outfit. I love the witch's dress, which I think she's gorgeous. Love the hairdo. Love the vintage mold. I'm gonna take her out like carefully with some scissors. Okay, so I took her out of the box. She does come with some witch's heels. Very cute. And like I said, like examining the dress up closer, like closely, I can't get over it. I really love this spider web pattern on the lace. And the dress smells really nice. It's very flowy. I just love the colors they picked out for this. I know I've said this 1,000 times in the video, but I'm really happy with this. I'm so glad I decided to get her because she's actually sold out now from what I heard last. So very happy. And you know what, the spring one, it was on sale during Christmas time last year. So this one sold out quick. I guess a lot of people do enjoy the spooky season, but I am so happy. Now I'm gonna have to get a second Barbie doll that has the vintage molding. And there has been some Barbies on my list for a while now. I call it my girl list. One is the Bewitched doll. So it would be really cute to have the two witches together, and just another one so that I could put her in this outfit. But I'm in love. I'm in love, and I'm gonna keep her in this witch's outfit because the theme of the mantle and the house is mainly Hocus Pocus, and then Nightmare Before Christmas, and a little bit of Maleficent stuff since I bought some of the Villains collection from Bath and Body Works. But this is beyond beautiful. I'm so happy, and I'm gonna do a close-up of her. So just give me 1 second. Here she is. Closer look at her with the witch's broom. I just adore her so much. Here she is with the flash. So pretty. I love this so much. And I can't wait to make a little scene with her. I think it'd be very cute. But happy spooky season. I'm very excited about Halloween this year. And I can't wait to show you guys some more stuff about the Halloween decor I'm putting up. Anyways, I hope you have a good night. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you all next time.